to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 Korean homemade face masks that I whipped up. These face masks help with blemishes, skin lightening, and also acne. So if those are your 3 main struggles when it comes to skincare, because those are my main struggles, just stay tuned and I will share these face masks with you. So I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off, and then I will basically show you guys the face masks and also apply them on my face so you can see, you know, how to apply them and what to do if you want to try them at home. So I'll be right back. My face is nice and clean. I just took off my makeup. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off with the first mask, which is a flour mask. This mask consists of flour, honey, and milk. So you just mix a little bit of every ingredient that I just mentioned and create a paste like this. Once you have your paste like this, then you apply it on your face. Now the benefit of this mask is it helps with removing dead skin on your face. It also helps with skin lightening, which is something that you will need if you have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It also helps with removing fat around your facial areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. Oh my God, and it smells like cake batter. I happen to have whole milk in the fridge because we were baking earlier in the week. Usually I drink almond milk, so I think you want to use whole milk and not almond milk or soy milk or any kind of milk that's not your regular whole milk. I'm also going to come down around my neck. You never want to forget about the neck, especially if you break out in those areas. I have a mask on now. I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes and I will be right back. Guys, it's been 15 minutes since I've had this on and it feels, my skin feels really dry. But I guess that's what it's supposed to do. I also think this mask helps with skin tightening, just because my skin feels really tight. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off before it starts flicking everywhere. But my skin feels really tight after having it on for 15 minutes. And you know that feeling? I don't know if you guys have used egg masks before, but you know how it feels when eggs dry up on your face? That's the same feeling. It just feels really tight, and when I try to pull onto it like this, it kind of hurts a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off and I will be right back. So I just washed my face. It feels good so far. It feels really good and soft, very tender, and it has a little bit of firmness to it that I feel. I don't know, it feels really good. Okay, so the second mask that I'm going to show you guys is a rice water mask. So with this mask, what you do is if you are going to cook rice, you know, before you cook rice, you have to wash your rice. So the water that you wash your rice in, I just have this rice soaking in there. You want to drain that and use that as a face mask. The way I would apply this is the same way you would apply a toner. So if you have a cotton ball, just use that, dip that in here and use that on your face. I ran out of cotton balls, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a paper towel, but also be very gentle because paper towels are a little bit on the rough side. When I'm done applying the rice water, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face with the remainder of the water and then just kind of let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my paper towel and I'll be right back. So I have the rice water in here and here's my paper towel. So I'm just gonna dip it in there. And once you dip it in there, it actually softens the paper towel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it like that. And I'm just dabbing it into the skin. Because remember, paper towels are a little bit on the rough side, so you do not wanna, you know, scrub your face with one So the benefit of rice water is to help reduce acne and also any blemishes. And while it does that, it helps with skin lightening. So for example, if you see these areas right here, they're a little bit dark on my face, like right here. That's what this product would do. It would help, you know, lighten those blemishes up. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the remainder of the rice water on my face. So I just washed my face with the remainder of the rice water, and I'm just gonna let it dry out. And once it dries out, I'll come back to the camera so you guys can see how it looks like dried out, and then I will wash it off, and then we will apply the final face mask. It's been 10 minutes since I let the rice water mask sit on, and this is my face 10 minutes later. Feels good, feels soft, feels hydrated. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply the final mask, which is a green tea mask. So basically with this, I just boiled some hot water, put 2 tea bags of green tea. I let it sit until it became warm and not too hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use two of those green tea bags and apply them on my face as I would a toner. So that's what I'm going to do in 3, 2, 1. All right, so here is the green tea mask. I have 2 green tea bags in here, and what I'm going to do is just grab both of them and just apply them on my face. So like this. It's gonna get messy. It's okay. Kind of like to move the tea bags in this upward motion like this to kind of lift my face up. So the purpose of these green tea bags and the green tea in general is to help, you know, release impurities from your face, which helps close up those pores after it's released those impurities, and also helps brighten your face and skin. I have this breakout right here. It's been bothering me for so long. I'm sure it's bothering you guys too, because it's like there. Anyways, so I'm just applying this on like this. Green tea bags kind of work as an exfoliator when you're applying them, so that's good. And if you have under eye bugs, you kind of want to do this to help reduce those. So I'm going to go ahead and use the remainder of the green tea and wash it all over my face, and then after I'm done, I'm going to let it dry out. When it's dried out, I will come back to you guys and we will wrap up this video. All right guys, I just finished moisturizing my face, and this is the finished look. My skin feels really good actually. It feels very tender, very moist. Oh, I just feel like I just came back from the spa, literally. It feels really good. So those Korean beauty masks, yes, I am loving them. You guys should definitely try them on at home. Tell me what you think. Hopefully you guys are not allergic to any of the ingredients that I used. It's just really basic, and you can easily make them at home as you guys saw. You know, I'm sure you have all the ingredients in the pantry. You know, they're just simple ingredients. So try out those products. Let me know what you guys thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.